Blossom. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to See Blossom and Jasmine, which is me. Hi guys. And I have different types of tutorials under one big umbrella that I call Blossom University. So today we're going to be talking about hair care. And what is today? Thursday. On Saturday, June 29th is my birthday. So I'm going to be conditioning my hair, basically deep conditioning it. And I'm using today the main choice. It's the Prickly Pear Paradise Strengthening and Superfood Infusion. So you apply this to dry hair and it's an overnight mask. So I've used it once before, and this is going to be my go-to for my birthday. I know it's going to have my birthday curls popping, and I know this is a trustworthy product. So with the mask, I'm also going to be using the Main Choice plastic conditioning caps. So I'm going to be applying this, and then once I'm done, I have things to do. So I'm going to be showing you guys the Wonsii wrap, and I've had it since August of last year. I actually bought it last year, but I haven't been able to bling it, or I've worn it many times, but I've never introduced it on my YouTube channel. So if you don't know what a Wonsii wrap is, it's basically one piece, and the creator has 3 attachments, which gives you versatility so that if you're on the go and if you don't really want to fool around with headscarves, then you don't have to. Like, I have never purchased a headscarf to do any of the designs that she creates because I'm just not with it, but she made it super easy. So I just hope to have all of the colors of the products that she offers. So let's get into this tutorial, guys. Alright, Team Blossom, so I start off by adding the mask to my scalp, and then I just massage it in from root to tip, and then I'm just going to massage it throughout. Once I finish applying the mask, I'm going to add my cap, and then I'm going to show you a short video on how to put the Wonsii wrap on so that it's tight. So in a couple seconds, you'll see the owner and founder. Enjoy.
So I wanted to quickly stop by and show you how I lay my classic knot, these pieces, flat. So typically with any other piece that we have, so we only have 3 right now. We have the classic knot, we have our bows, and we have our signature rose. This is the only piece that we will lay a little bit different, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you put your head wrap on, and typically this is where we will tie a knot in the front. We're not going to do that, no. We're just going to lay it flat. Lay it flat, and then you tie a knot in the back. And you want to get this as comfortable but as tight as you can. You don't really want it loose on your head. So you tie a knot, but we just laid it flat. Pull these down. So the exact same steps as, and yeah, that's it.
So I have my Wonsii wrap that is bedazzled, and then I also have the knot attachment. So this is what I'll be using today. All right, let's do this thing. All right. So this is the bottom, and it has elastic in it. The one thing I really like about the Wonsii wrap is that it has satin in the middle. Right now, I don't need the satin, but you know, it won't dry out your hair, which is really amazing. And this is patented by the creator. All right, let's put this thing on. So when I applied my Wonsii wrap on, it's pretty loose. I have a shower cap underneath mine, so I didn't want it super, super tight. So the cool part about the Wonsii wrap is each attachment, and there are 3 different types of attachments, but each attachment you just have to put through these 2 strings, and then you're basically done. And you wrap this thing around, and then ta-da, you have a knot. So what I'm going to do is I am going to place one of these in here, and then the other one in here, and then you bring both down the middle. So one, and then both down the middle, okay? So I decided that I was not going to make my Wonsii wrap tight. I was actually kind of rushing because like I said at the beginning of the video, I had lots of things to do. So I just tucked in the sides, and when you tuck in the sides all the way, it gives a much cleaner look. I'm just gonna spruce up my baby edges, or I guess my baby hairs. I mean, I have really long edges, so I guess those are my baby edges. But I mean, I love the way this looks. I ended up off camera, making everything look cute. But I would just definitely recommend tucking it in. The average person is not going to know. All right, so I'm done with my look. What do you guys think? So this is the onesie wrap, and as you can see, it's super easy to use, and I love it. Bye, Team Blossom. Oh, if you haven't, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and talk to me. Tell me what you think. Do you like yes or no? Yeah or no? And if you guys like my lipstick is by Life of a Bombshell, and the color is Celebrity, just in case, because I feel like somebody is going to ask.